playground. Going up, going there.
Wow, big one up.
Oh, nice. Look at the kids. They're playing they're spinning. Yes.
Yalla, we'll go later to the train. Come on.
But lunchbox, Mama. Baba, it's too big. It's too big. It's cute, oh. Look, Zedo. But it's very big. This one, oh. How about this one? Open.
Doesn't have anything.
Hey, you can put straw. What did you buy, Zaid? Huh? Let me see. Oh, your lunchbox. What is this? It's Juniors. It's another one. Look, oh, nice. Leo uniform. Zaid. Sit down. Oh my gosh. Eat the fries first. Eat first before you drink. It's eating. Oh, only little. I think. Good. Yay. I think, Baba, there's a stairs also. Maybe this side, that one. Zito. Sige, go there, ride. Ride. Sige. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Look at Mama. Zedo. It's not looking.
Yalla.
Sige. Oh, that one, it's there. Sige. 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 Wait. You scared?
Zedo.
Zaid, look here. Hold, it's fine.
Yalla, sorry.
Sige, drive. Bravo. Baba, move. Where is Zaid?
Fun. So much
Just
fun.
hold. Nice, wow.
Yalla, drive يا حبيبي.
Drive. Yeah, smile.
Fun, so much fun. Yalla, drive.
Do not move. Say hi to the boy. Hi. Say hi to the boy.
Yalla.
Look at them, oh. Look at the kids. Look at them. There's a bus. Baba. Look at him. He's tired. Yeah. He doesn't. He doesn't.
Still 15. We should go.
Yeah.
Then I will
Show to Mama. Wow. Nice. Oh, Baba will buy something. Huh? Why are you so busy? Oh. You want to get it? Which one? We have. I think we still have. You like that one? Yes or no? Ah, Baba, no money. Will not buy. You want to buy that one? Yes or no? You want? He give you the jet, and then he will take that one. And how about this? I'll buy this. Yes. You like this? Oh, it's too big. Put this one. It's very good. He's talking a lot now.
You want blue or red? Baba red.
Blue and red. 2 for Zaid. Go get yours. You like your toy? Huh? Nice? He hugged.
Because it doesn't say which shape.
I just erased that one. Why don't take it?
3, 4.
Door will open if you tap the receipt.
Yalla, tap.
Ching! Ching, see? It opens.
Okay.
Ah. Zido will go home now.
We'll go home.
Yeah, everyone is tired. Finish na shopping, Zido. Toy. Let's go home now. Finished. Say bye, Mall. Say bye. See you tomorrow.
Come again.
We'll come again. Oh, we know this one, Baba. Why, in school you did that? What you will say in school when you go home? Huh?
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Find Baba's car. Where is Baba's car? Where? Where? Where's Baba's car? Where? Where?